Best wishes to all my viewers, wherever you are. Hope all are safe, secure, and doing well. Warm welcome to my YouTube channel. It was the coldest winter ever. Many animals died because of the cold. The hedgehogs, realizing the situation, decided to group together to keep themselves warm. This way, they covered and protected themselves from the cold. But the quills of each one wounded their closest companions. They were not happy about that and started blaming each other. After a while, they decided to distance themselves one from the other, and soon they began to die of cold, alone and frozen. So really, they had to make a choice. Either accept the quills of their companions or disappear from the face of the earth. Wisely, they decided to go back to being together. They learned to live with the little wounds caused by the close relationship with their companions. In turn, they all received the hate that came from others. This way, they were able to survive. We should remember, the best relationship is not the one that brings together perfect people. That is not even possible all the time. To the contrary, when each individual learns to live with the imperfections of others and can admire other person's good qualities, that is the best relationship. And that is mutually beneficial. Thanks all for watching. Please react, comment, and subscribe my channel if you like. Wish you all the best. Thanks and gratitude. Humanity is a human religion.